Hello again, and welcome back to another Source SDK 101 video tutorial. And today we're going to be heading back to Trouble in Terrace Town, and we're going to be taking a look at creating a fully fleshed out Traitor trap with a Traitor button, credit adjust, and damage owner. So what we've got here is something similar to 67th Way's setup, in that you have a Traitor space, Traitor room, whatever you want to call it, and the kind of corridor that the players will traverse through that's going to slam the door shut. And in this case, instead of flooding the room, we're going to slide out this floor and it's going to drop the players into a pit of spikes. So what we've got here is a very simple setup so far. So this floor is a Funk move linear, and that's just going to slide out to the side pretty slowly. And then we've got two doors here, and their current spawn position's open. So this is their closed, so they'll spawn above. So with that in mind, we're going to start by creating our button to make this all work. So we're going to create our Traitor button here. You don't necessarily need to do it this way. You could just use a regular button if you want everyone to be able to do it, which is what 67th Way has, but I'm going to be making it a Traitor button. So we'll go ahead, have this here, and we'll set our delay to something like 20 seconds. All the timings and things you'll have to figure out for your own trap, and this of course will work with anything. So what we're going to have to do with this Traitor button is set up basically everything. So we'll only be able to do a bit now. So we'll start with having everything here open or closed. So we'll set on pressed Traitor button, and this is for the floor. We'll have it open. So we'll have a new one. We'll just copy paste that, and we'll go ahead and do the doors now. So since I have them set to the open position default, we're going to set this to close, and then we'll do that the same for that door. So with that, we'll have it work now so that it just drops and opens the players, and that is all fine, but I want to make it a little more complex. So I'm going to go ahead and create some new entities, and first we're going to do a credit adjust. So this will take away, we'll say this will cost 1 credit, right? So we'll go ahead and name that. We'll just name it cred adjust or cred add, which is fine. And then on our outputs and our Traitor button, we'll go ahead and add a new one, and we'll say on pressed credit adjust, and then go down to take credits. So that's fine. And what we'll want to do is delete these outputs because I copied that over, and we'll go ahead and make another entity, and this one will be our damage owner. So this will set that whoever presses this button gets the kills at the end of the round. So we'll just name DMG own. And so our target entity here is going to be the name of our trigger hurt in this case, which I just named hurt. So we'll go ahead and set that to hurt. And then you can set the name in the end round report. So we'll just say the spike pit. So it'll say so-and-so killed so-and-so with the spike pit. So we'll have that with there. And now we'll need to go back to our Traitor button, add a new one, on pressed, damage owner, and then we'll say set activator as damage owner. Okay, and then something we can also do just for safety reasons is we can go ahead and have one clear the damage owner after 20 seconds, or we'll do 19 in this case, so right before the button becomes available again, we'll clear the damage owner so that somebody else doesn't end up getting, or they don't end up getting kills on accident or anything like that. And then just for some extra things, I'll go ahead and edit this floor, and I'll say on fully open, and just make it close itself. And then we can go ahead and do the same in our Traitor button. For the doors, we'll just have them open after the 20 so seconds again, so that the hallway will function as normal. So with all of that set, we can go ahead and compile this and check out what we've got in game.